All right, hi. So I'm Geoff Waugh, and today what you can see here is we've got a lot of harvesting going on. Kids yesterday took out carrots and beets. Today we're doing onions and potatoes, and there's a charming sincerity about what's going on today that really kind of ties in with their school motto: "Work hard and be kind." You know, Garrett, when you were here last fall, the kids were putting dirt in the bins, and then last semester with the spring session, they were starting seeds indoors and getting transplants. And then they sowed the garden, and then throughout the summer we had students come in to help us maintain. And today a lot of that work and all that preemptive, establishing of the garden has kind of culminated for today, where kids get to reap the benefits of those that came behind them. And I don't think there's anything better than a Churchill "work hard, be kind." That a third of this food is going to go to the kids, a third of it is going to go to the food bank, and then a third of it is going to go to our foods program. And all hands are on deck today, making sure that things are getting done. And I think we're having a good time out here. Yeah.
My name's Joel. I also want to just thank the group from last year that helped make this possible, for all their sweat equity that went into this. We were mentioning yesterday, this is what we were envisioning. This is when it gets dreamy, is we're pulling out food from the earth and we're sharing it amongst ourselves and sharing it with the community. So we appreciate all the support from our donors, Sprout Box for the boxes, Community Foundation, our parent council. So many people have stepped up and
Picture Butte Egg Society as well.
Butte.
Yeah.
None of this would have been possible without their support and donations, so thank you. We cover a wide range. Because of our climate, we have units that focus on outdoor, field crops, learning how to plant in the ground, plant in boxes, as well as indoor units, plant propagation,
indoor plants,
household plants. So it's kind of a wide range of topics they learn. Obviously right now it's beautiful weather, so this is our outdoor classroom for the first quarter of the year.
With all the stuff that's just going on, it's just a nice opportunity for kids to understand where their food comes from, how it's processed, how it's produced, and the amount of work that goes in. We've got some students that are cleaning, we've got other students that are preparing. It's just kind of a nice way to think about, when you go to the grocery store, that someone's hands were involved in getting that there, and how much work, effort, time, and in our case too, a lot of love that goes into this too. Students that put stuff in the ground in the spring might not even get to see what happens to this. So it's just a nice way that they've been able to pay it forward as our garden and our agri-gardening class continues to move forward. It's just a continuation every single semester.